7 face packs for 7 days of week. Are you not happy with your skin tone? Do you think your natural fairer complexion has been lost due to the pollution in the environment and the hectic lifestyle? To get back your fairer complexion, you really need not to visit the parlor and spend a lot on the expensive skin whitening and brightening treatments. You can easily treat your skin at home with these best homemade face packs. Red lentils with milk. Face pack on Monday.
For this, we need rose water, milk, red lentil and turmeric. Take a bowl with some water and soak red lentils. Next day morning, make these soaked red lentils into a fine paste. Now the paste is ready. Let's start the process. Take a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of red lentil paste, 1 tablespoon of milk and a pinch of turmeric. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of rose water for cooling effect. And mix well. Now wash your face and apply this paste all over the face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash it off with cool water. Do it daily for 1 month. By doing this regularly, you can get fair and glowing skin.
Multani Mitti face pack on Tuesday.
For this we need Multani Mitti, sandalwood powder and rose water. Multani Mitti. It is having oil absorbing and cleansing property. It is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. It balances pH level of the skin. Chandan or sandalwood powder. It refreshes and soothes the skin. Rose water. It gives cooling and refreshing effect. Let's start the process. Take a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti and some Chandan powder and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Mix well. Now pack is ready to apply. Apply this paste on the skin evenly and leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with cool water. This pack gives clean and clear skin.
Mixed fruit juice for Wednesday.
For this we need ingredients: strawberry juice, orange juice, coconut water, chia seeds. Strawberry. Strawberries are absolutely delicious and such a beautiful fruit that gives glowing skin. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, reduces wrinkles and keeps skin glowing and shiny. Chia seeds. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and great antioxidants. Chia seeds contains proteins and fibers. Coconut water. Coconut water is having tons of electrolytes, rich in vitamins and minerals. Coconut water contains more potassium than 4 bananas. Orange juice. Orange juice contains lots of fiber and it gives tangy flavor to the juice. Now let's start the process. Take the juicer jar and pour orange juice in it, strawberry juice, add some chia seeds and finally coconut water. Then start blending. Take the juice into a glass. Healthy tangy juice is ready to serve. It is awesome.
Avocado face mask for Thursday.
Anti-aging. Avocados are anti-aging. They go deep into pores so that all vitamins and healthy nutrients goes into the skin. They keep skin hydrated. For this, we need avocado and honey. Now let us start the procedure. Cut the avocado and take small piece, mash it well Now add 1 tablespoon of honey and warm water. Mix all ingredients well to get a fine paste. Now clean your face and apply this paste all over the skin and leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with warm water. Apply this mask twice in a week. By doing this regularly, you will get a firm, younger, glowing skin.
Baking soda facial mask on Friday.
For this, we need baking soda and honey. Baking soda. Baking soda has so many cosmetic values. It is a good facial scrub. It is good for dry skin. It gives softness and fairness to the skin. Honey. Honey is a good moisturizer. It gives glow to the skin. Let's start the process. Take a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of honey and mix them well. Now the pack is ready. Apply this paste on the skin and leave it for 20 minutes and wash it with cool water. You can do it weekly once for best results. This pack keeps away your acne and pimples and gives fair and brighter skin.
Milk as a scrubber for glowing skin on Saturday.
For this, we need rice flour, lemon and milk. Let's start the process. Take 1 bowl, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, half tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix all ingredients well. Make a fine paste. Clean your face and apply this all over your face. Leave it for 10 minutes. And then massage gently with some milk and wash it with cool water. The lactic acid will help to dissolve inactive protein and helps to break down dead cells. Thereby, the protein and fat will lubricate and soften the skin.
Kiwi and apple juice for glowing skin on Sunday.
All we need is kiwi and apple. This juice is so good for your skin. Kiwis. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C and it is having anti-aging properties and heals the skin from becoming rough and dry. Kiwis are rich in vitamin E, protects skin from degeneration and decreases facial lines and wrinkles. Kiwi contains more antioxidant. Apple. Apple are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, which prevents wrinkles, aging cell and tissue damage. Let's start the process. Take a juicer jar. Place apple pieces, kiwi pieces and finally some water. Then start blending. Take the juice into a serving glass. Kiwi apple juice is ready to serve. Apple kiwi juice. This juice enhances the glow of the skin. For best results, take this juice twice in a week.
Follow this 1-week plan regularly and keep your face healthy and glowing. Avoid sun heat and pollution for best results. By following these remedies daily, you notice good results at home without going parlors and can also save your money and precious time.